In this video, we'll take a closer look at the life of Kamprad and how he built IKEA. Ingvar Kamprad was born on March 30, 1926. He was raised on a farm in the Småland region of Sweden, called Untold, which instilled in him a strong work ethic and a sense of frugality. In those days, Sweden was subjected to great poverty. Despite his family's struggles, Kamprad wanted to contribute to their family. At just 5 years old, he started selling matches to his neighbors to make some extra money. It was the start of Kamprad's entrepreneurial journey, and his business instincts only grew from there. By the time he was 10, he rode his bicycle in the neighborhood, selling fish and pencils. After finishing high school, Ingvar took a bold decision of discounting education to start his own business. At the age of 17, Ingvar Kamprad founded IKEA in July 28, 1943. It was a small mail-order business selling various items, including pens, wallets, picture frames, and other household goods. The name, IKEA, is an acronym derived from Ingvar Kamprad's initials, IK, and the first letters of Elmtarid and Agunarid, the farm and village where he grew up. Ingvar was determined to make his new business a success, and he traveled throughout Sweden, building relationships with local manufacturers and suppliers to get the products he needed. IKEA's first store sold household items such as pens, wallets, and picture frames. The company didn't enter the furniture business until 5 years later. He began delivering his products with milk trucks in 1945. From the beginning, Kamprad made IKEA's mail-order catalog an integral component of their business. Since Sweden was a mostly rural and isolated country, and getting to the bigger cities was challenging, especially during the 1940s and 1950s. Ingvar has always been enthusiastic about learning and growing his business. As his business grew, he realized the key to success was finding the easiest, most affordable distribution. His dream began with distributing cheap, well-made products to the public. Therefore, IKEA began as a direct importer and mail-order company that sold watches, pens, and other items. As the years passed, Ingvar's mail-order business began to grow, and he started to see new opportunities. Ingvar quickly realized that there was a huge demand for affordable furniture in post-war Sweden. In 1947, IKEA began to focus primarily on furniture, and its first catalog was published in 1951. The company's philosophy was to offer functional and affordable furniture for the mass market. One of the key innovations that set IKEA apart was the introduction of flatpack, self-assembly furniture. This allowed for more efficient transportation and reduced costs for both the company and its customers. Ingvar's unique approach to furniture sales was revolutionary. He recognized that furniture shopping was often an intimidating and frustrating experience for consumers. A turning point came when the company transitioned into selling flat-pack furniture that is sold in pieces that are flattened to make transport easier and are assembled by the purchaser. This was a fundamental shift in IKEA's furniture philosophy. As IKEA aimed to appeal to the middle class, it offered stylish and affordable furniture. The idea was that Ingvar could offer a unique furniture brand to all sections of society, rich or not, at the same time. The first stores were opened in Norway and Denmark in 1963 and 1969, respectively. From there, it wasn't long before IKEA ruled Europe. Soon after, the company opened its first store outside of Scandinavia, and within the next decade IKEAs popped up around the world in places like Japan, Australia, and Canada, where lines formed at grand openings. IKEA's largest market is Germany, where 52 stores are present. The US has 51 stores. The company currently operates 433 stores across 38 countries. Before we continue this story, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn the notification bell so you won't miss in our every uploads. Let's continue. Kamprad was known for his strong commitment to keeping costs low and providing quality products at affordable prices. He also believed in providing a good shopping experience for customers. As far as historians are concerned, Kamprad's trading hobby was a result of inheritance. He was greatly influenced by the influence of his grandmother Frances, as well as the entire family. Over the course of his business career, Ingvar Kamprad earned over $46 billion. Despite his great wealth, Kamprad continued to visit new IKEA stores around the globe. Ingvar Kamprad stepped down from the day-to-day operations of IKEA in the early 1980s but remained involved with the company. He retired officially in 1988, but he continued to provide guidance and input. Ingvar Kamprad passed away on January 27, 2018, at the age of 91. During his 20 years of driving the same Volvo, he also flew economy class. He had a reputation for being press-shy. He never even gave any interviews. When it comes to those strange product names, they follow a systematic system. As Ingvar had dyslexia, he named them in a way that was easy for him to remember. Because IKEA stores were so large, they were often located on the outskirts of large cities. The people took a long time to reach the store, and one effect Ingvar noticed was that they were shopping on an empty stomach. As a result, he decided to have a fast food joint in every IKEA store. IKEA has always tried to keep people in the store as long as possible so they can spend more. In fact, today, over 30% of customers go there just for the food. IKEA restaurants offered job opportunities to women as well. Back then, restaurants weren't considered respectable places for women. However, store restaurants, which rarely served alcohol, made an exception. Women were able to earn a living and even meet out of the home in these places. Kamprad left around half of his wealth to charity after his death, according to his will. The Stitching IKEA Foundation was established in honor of Ingvar Kamprad. IKEA is the parent company of IKEA Holding, owned by this foundation. Since 1986, IKEA has had its headquarters in the Netherlands, which had lower taxes than Sweden. Today, IKEA is a global household name with numerous stores in countries around the world. It offers a wide range of furniture and home products, and its minimalist and functional designs continue to be popular with customers. Ingvar Kamprad has demonstrated that nothing is impossible after founding a company in the face of poverty. Ingvar Kamprad's innovative approach to retail and his commitment to providing affordable and well-designed furniture made IKEA a global success and a significant influence on the furniture and home decor industry. IKEA has a strong commitment to sustainability and has launched various initiatives to reduce its environmental footprint, including sourcing sustainable materials, energy efficiency, and recycling programs. In January 2022, IKEA has a presence in numerous countries and continues to expand its reach. The company is headquartered in Delft, Netherlands, and operates stores worldwide, offering a wide range of products for home furnishing and decor. And that's the wrap of our story for today. What can you say about the story of Ingvar Kamprad? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please turn on the notification bell so you won't miss in our every uploads. There's lots of new content on the way, but until then, thank you so much for watching. You are a legend. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.